Hi guys, this is your favorite Chicago real estate agent, Anastasia, and today we're talking about escalation clauses. Have you ever heard about a strategy that's going to help you win in a multiple offer situation? Let me tell you all about it. So something I want to tell you about today is called an escalation clause. Escalation clause comes in the form of an additional document that we sign when we submit an offer. So you have your offer and an addendum to it. Escalation clause is an addendum to the offer that you make that states that you, a buyer, is willing to increase your original offer to an X amount in case the seller receives a higher competing offer. So let me explain what it actually means. Let's say you found a property that you really like that's priced at $300,000. You want to make an offer, but we're in a multiple offer situation and you want to guarantee that you can get that property or at least increase your chance of getting that property. So in that case, we can use an escalation clause. So basically we're going to say, Mr. Seller, we're offering you $300,000, but in case you receive a higher offer, we are willing to increase our offer by $5,000 up till an X amount. So let's say your X amount, your top line will be $325,000. So you're willing to go $5,000 above the highest competing offer. Let's say the seller receives three offers, yours at $300,000, somebody else's at $300,000 with no escalation clause, and somebody else's at $310,000. So what happens then, you agree to increase the highest offer that they received, $310,000, by $5,000. So you will be paying $315,000 to the seller. They will have to produce a proof that they received that higher competing offer in order to trigger the escalation clause. But this way we can guarantee that you get that property at $315,000 and you don't even reach the highest point of your escalation clause. However, I must note that some sellers do not like escalation clauses, and they will specifically say that please no escalation clauses, because once we get into like multiple offer situation, I'm talking like 5, 10, 15 offers, and imagine everybody attaching an escalation clause, it's going to be a nightmare for them to figure out how to really evaluate each offer. So in that case, they'll just say no escalation clauses, please send us your highest and best, and whoever will be at luck will win. I hope this has been helpful for you. Now you know a little bit more about escalation clauses, the strategy that we can use to increase your chances of getting the property you want. However, keep in mind that there are other things that we can do in order to incentivize the seller to accept your offer. So feel free to ask any questions.